How to organize my tasks on Asana. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll be talking about the My Tasks section and how to actually organize it to work better for you. So basically, a lot of people just go through their tasks through the projects. So instead of using My Tasks, they would want to go through each single project by project, and this would take you a lot of time and it's just not as organized as using the My Tasks section. Now, when you actually get started with My Tasks, it's basically going to show you all the tasks that are assigned to you for all the projects that are available in your Asana account. So anything that is going to be assigned to yourself, whether it's a milestone, task, sprint, whatever it may be, is going to show up in your tasks or the My Tasks section. So it's going to be a very um, useful thing to get started using the My Tasks instead of going through them project by project, and actually go ahead and customize it to your liking. Because look, with the My Tasks section, you will be able to add sections like recently assigned, due today, due next week, due later, and you can add more sections as well. For example, um, due this week instead of, next week. You can just add this. Let me just not add tasks right now. Let me just add it right here. So now you can actually go ahead and create sections so that they are, as each task is going to be assigned to a specific section. For example, if you have tasks that are going to be due today, you would want to have them all in here. And it's going to make your life a lot easier. And they're going to be like some tasks that are very far ahead, and you don't really need to worry about them right now. You can also go ahead and add them in the do later section. It's just going to allow you to organize all the things that you need to do. So basically, to get started, go to My Tasks, and this is obviously only one way to go about things, which is going to be through the date. So recently assigned, which is going to have pretty much every single task here, but we can actually add automations so that they move accordingly to this layout that we have here. Now, this is the default layout that you have. You can also add something like, for example, important tasks. Maybe those tasks are like very high of importance instead of the other regular sections. Maybe you can actually go ahead and create it, but I think you would actually want to move them yourself through here. But I'm just going to remove this one for the time being. Now we have recently assigned, due today, due this week, due next week, due later. Now, what we would want to do, generally speaking, is just look or take a look at all the tasks that are assigned to us and see which ones are, for example, this is due tomorrow. So uh, we can just leave it as due today or due this week. And we can see things like this one, for example, is going to be for Tuesday. Sorry, we move it from here. Let me just exit out of here. We move it to due this week, like so. I just need to click properly. There you go. We move the rest of them also. This one is also on Tuesday, so we can actually move it to do this week. And I'm just going to sort them out and get back to you. So now I have sorted them like so. Due today, I have just added the ones that are for tomorrow. Obviously, this would change, but we have due this week. All the ones that are due this week, well, we'll just add them here. Due next week, we have obviously those two. And then we have due later, which is something that is very far off. We don't really need to worry about it right now. And now we can actually just go ahead and see a much clearer way about our time management and all of those things. Things are not going to be cramped up in one place. Things are not going to be messy. And also, if you add any task here, like for example, by the way, in My Tasks, all the tasks that are assigned to you are going to show up, not only the ones from the projects, even like standalone tasks are also going to show up. Another test, and let's say this one is due There you go. Wednesday, I'm just going to set it up like this. So you have your new task, you just want to go ahead and move it here. Now, this is a great way to go about things, but how about we make things even easier? So how about instead of actually moving things yourself, we go ahead and create some sort of automations and which is basically going to move things to these specific respected sections. So for example, if it's due this week, then it's going to move it here automatically. If it's due today, it's going to move it here automatically, and so on. It's very easy to do, and I just need to note that it is going to occur every midnight. So it's not going to be right away, it's going to be every midnight. This way, whenever you actually go ahead and wake up and open your Asana, you'll be able to see the new refreshed state when it comes to your tasks that are assigned to you. So let's actually go ahead and add this um, basically the automation. So we just go ahead and click on, obviously make sure you're on My Tasks, click on Customize on the top right, and it's basically going to be this Rules section. Click on Rules is going to give you a few things here. Due date is approaching, move task to a certain section is pretty much all we need. You can create it from scratch if you want to, but I'm just going to actually just use this one. So just due date is approaching, move to a certain task. Click on this one, and then here we will have due date is approaching, task is due today. So it is set up to be due today. We will move this task to the section that is called due today. And now that this is done, we just click on publish rule, and now it should be done. You can see here that the icon for the rules is set next to this section. Now, basically, you see this one, it says tomorrow. At midnight, it's actually going to, let's actually move this up to recently added. So right now it's in the recently assigned. Once midnight happens, this will actually go ahead and move to do today automatically without you having to set things up. Now let's do it for other things as well. We can just click on customize rules, and now this actually creates custom rule. Basically, I'm going to create the same thing. So when the task is moved to section, due date is changed, or start date is changed, you have all of those things that you can actually go ahead and add. So this, I believe, let me just go ahead and actually just use the template instead. So here we have due today, 1 week before. So let's set it up so that's for the ones that are 1 week away. So 1 week before, we will set this to be moved to the due this week section. And now this should be completely done. This way, whenever something is 1 week away, is going to be moved to due this week. And the other stuff here, you can just go ahead and move them away yourself. And obviously when this becomes next week, is going to automatically be added in here. And you can just go ahead and play around with this that you have learned. You have more stuff here and customize and rules. You have more stuff, more actions that you can actually go ahead and do. Like if it's overdue, you can add a comment, and more custom rules you can add. Now you have all of those things, and like I said, this is only one way to go about things. You have the board view, you have the calendar view, and all of those things, which could make things easier. But here you can also add more sections that are more customizable by you. For example, if you want to actually add the important one that we talked about, important tasks, then you just can feel free to add it, and just make sure you have it at the top, just so you can see the specific important tasks that you want to set up. So generally speaking, you don't really want to make My Tasks a mess with only one section and just all tasks all over the place. So instead, make sure you take the time to set up the sections. Make sure you take the time to set up the rules, which are going to make things a lot easier for you when actually the date comes. And tomorrow things will be different here. The due today will basically, this will be moved here automatically. These at some point they will be moved to due this week, and so on. it's just going to give you a better look for your tasks overall. So basically, this is how to organize, or at least one way to organize your My Tasks. But you can use exactly the same formula to create your very own unique type of filtering when it comes to your My Tasks section. I also forgot to mention you can also sort things by due date and so things like that, but it also can make things messy because if you can just click on this, you can see things are a little bit messy. But I prefer to just use the method I have used, but you have a lot to work with when it comes to the things that you can add. So, with that being said, I hope you found this video to be helpful and you liked this video. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.